Okay, second example. So we're going to start with dividing. So n times what is 8n cubed? Yes, we are still dividing. If I divide it here, this is a 1 exponent, right? What do I get? I get 8n squared. So this is going to be 8n squared. Okay, so now that I've divided, I'm going to multiply. And we have 8n squared times n. That should give me the same thing that I started with here. Now we're going to multiply 8n squared times negative 8. We get negative 64n squared. We've multiplied. Now we're going to subtract. And remember that when we subtract here, we have to distribute that negative symbol, that pink negative. So that becomes a positive here. And now 8 minus n cubed is going to cancel, as it should. And then negative 62n squared plus 64n squared is going to give us 2n squared. We subtracted. Now let's bring down. So this 7n, negative 7n comes down. And now we're going to repeat. So start with division again. So n times what is going to give me 2n squared. That's the same as saying 2n squared divided by n. Here, this guy has a 1, so is the exponent. So I get 2n. So plus 2n. Division is done. Now we're going to multiply. So we have 2n times n. We get 2n squared. Now we're going to have 2n times negative 8. That gives me negative 16n. Now we're going to subtract. So distribute the negative sign. Both signs are flipping. 2n squared minus 2n squared cancels out. Negative 7n plus 16n is going to give me 9n. And I've subtracted. Now we're going to bring down. So negative 72. And now we're going to repeat. So divide. N times what is going to give me 9n. In other words, you're dividing 9n by n. That gives us our n's canceling. And all I get is 9. So here's a 9. Now we're going to multiply. So 9 times n gives me 9n. 9 times negative 8 gives me negative 72. And now we're going to subtract. So both of these signs flip and both of them cancel. I get 0. So that means that 8n cubed minus 62n squared minus 7n minus 72 divided by n minus 8 is going to equal 8n squared plus 2n plus 9.